5:32. Let's get to our top stories here. Right now, a group of Hoosiers is headed south to help respond to Tropical Storm Sally. The storm is currently gaining strength, prompting hurricane warnings along the Gulf Coast. 35 members of Indiana Task Force 1 are traveling to Baton Rouge right now. They'll be taking all the supplies needed to prepare for things like structural collapses and water rescues. They say they're ready to do whatever is needed.
We know that there's going to be flooding. We know there's going to be wind damage. We can only hope that people do evacuate so that we don't have to rescue anybody, but we know that's not always the case. We have a lot of experience at responding into these types of incidents.
Task Force 1 doesn't have an exact arrival time for today. Their location is expected to change based on the storm's movement.